Just gonna use this red basket. So hindi may different. Itong sistema.
Asa to? How about this one? Much better. Isa, dalawa.
You have two? You can have two here.
Hana, come. Hana. Hana. Later. Ito yan. That's cute. Saan tayo una? So this is the inside of Green Fresh. Oh, there's mangoes here. May mango dito, oh. $15.99, $16. Okay ba yan? I don't know. Kuha ba tayo niyan? Mamaya?
Yeah, bread here too.
Ano man ang lasa niyan? Oh, may langka, oh. Jackfruit. There's, hinog na, oh. Daddy, hinog na, oh, ang bango. Ang bango.
Yeah. Let's go down here.
Daddy, oh, may langka.
We have cut. No, dry.
Ito, oh. Langka dry. Salamat kita. Let's go. Let's go, ate. Ito. Oh, mga prutas din pala dito. I don't know. Maybe a Chinese song. O dragon fruit. Oh, si ano? Nakakuha na ng dragon fruit. O may durian, no? Yeah, masarap yan. That one. May tanglad pa sila, o lemongrass. It's $3. May langka doon na hati-hati na, Dad. Ito, oh.
Baby mango.
Baby mango.
Hey, I do not want it.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Just put it there. So, may okra sila, oh. Dad, may okra, oh. $6. Oh, papaya. Baby, look. Papaya, oh. Malalaki yung papaya nila dito. Ah? Oh, may kangkong. May kangkong. Cute naman itong ano nila, kanila. May kangkong dito. Bakit? Ano yung kangkong doon? Parang okay to. Can I check the kangkong, baby? Let's go to the side.
Daddy, I want to check the seafood.
It's fine. Let's go. Let's go.